Keep in mind, I had a shop working on 10 cars at the time. So I got like 14,000 bucks in my pocket because I'm buying for 5 cars at the time. So I'm standing in line, I'm number 38. This guy in front of me is the man, he's working on 25 cars. This guy in front of him is working on 12 cars. So I would sit there and watch them take in $100,000 in my little hour and a half that I was waiting, just to let you know how big this industry is. These people probably make $1 million a day on the average. And it's just incredible. And it's all people who are living locally in this area. Because we are like I said, we are the epicenter of cars. So when you start thinking about it like that and realizing it, it's like, man, you want to know what every little part is. Like something like this, you would just walk right over this and throw it away, right? Mm-hmm. This is worth 20 bucks. Take it to the swap meet because somebody don't want to pay 50 for the new one. You know what I mean? So they'll take it. I mean, I can buy this for 20 bucks from this dude and take it down there and get it